BMW i is the BMW Group's response to the changing demands in sustainable and individual mobility. BMW i provides visionary mobility, inspiring design, and a whole new focus on sustainability.
What's really special about the i brand is it has a new architecture. We call it the Life Drive architecture.
We divide the cars horizontally into two individual parts, the Life and the Drive module, and therefore we have the possibility to use aluminum and carbon fiber at such a large scale to really offset the additional weight that usually an electric car brings. By reducing the weight, we can also reduce the amount of batteries we need for the car.
For a designer, it was an amazing opportunity. We're able to pick and choose all the different aspects important to make the perfect megacity vehicle.
The i3 on one side is an absolute tremendous solution for an urban environment. This car runs on zero emission since it's pure electric.
The first overall impression of the i3 is that it's very compact, but you'd be surprised when you open these coach doors. It truly invites you into a very large amount of space. Because of the technology, we're able to have a very flat floor, and we don't have the tunnel that typically bisects most cars, so you have this ease of flow. You can go across the car very easily on these bench-style seats.
The nice part about the i3 is that we're also offering as an option what we call a REX, a range extender. We install a small three-cylinder gasoline engine, which will essentially allow you to double the range of the EV.
It's a dynamic interpretation of a very practical vehicle.
The BMW i8 is truly the most progressive sports car in the world. You have the driving performance comparable to BMW M3, but at the same time you have the fuel efficiency of a very small subcompact car.
The i8 uses the same electric motor that we have in the i3 to drive the front wheels and a three-cylinder gasoline motor over the rear wheels, so in essence you have all-wheel drive available. And together they provide almost 400 horsepower, 0 to 60 in well under 5 seconds, and at the same time an MPG close to 80 miles per gallon.
If you see the design, all of the line work, the surfacing, you can see very clearly that it's as if the wind, the aerodynamics have shaped the car for us, and we wanted to give you that impression. It's extremely dynamic, and in that way it's still very much BMW.
What's really impressive about both the i3 and i8, that when you see them in pictures, you go, there's some sort of futuristic car. But they're here, they're very close to production. What you're seeing behind us, about 80% of what you'll see in reality.
For purpose-built electric solutions, this is going to be BMW i.